I'm David from Trade Nation, and this tutorial is all about adding orders to existing positions. Okay, so we've got the trading platform up here, and if I just shift myself up a bit, you can see in the open positions, I already have something running. The UK 100, I sold $1 a point at 57.78. At the time, I could have put a stop and a limit on, but I chose not to, but I'd like to add both now. So I do that by going along to the amend button and clicking. And you can see that it's going to bring me up the live price where the UK 100 is trading at the moment, where I could sell, where I could buy, but I'm looking to put a stop on. So I click the stop and I have two choices. I can put that stop at a specific price level, or I can put the stop at a certain number of points away from my opening order. Now I'm going to choose the price level because I think that if the index goes above 58.20, there's a good chance that it's going to break out and go much, much higher. So I'm going to put a stop in there at a level of 58.23, just a little bit above my worry level. As you can see, it's telling me the approximate amount that I would lose should my stop get hit at that particular level, and that's $44.90. I'd also like to put a limit on my order, so I click on limit here. I'm going to put this a set number of points away from my opening level. I've sold at around 57.78. I think there's a good chance I could make 100 points on this trade. I think the FTSE could easily, the UK 100 could easily drop 100 points or more from here. So I am going to put my limit 100 points away from my opening level. And you can see that it's actually telling me that that would be at a price of 56.78.1 because my opening level was 57.78.1. And if I did get triggered on that limit, if it did get hit, I would make $100, which sounds fine to me. So I submit, and I get a confirmation straight away up here. And if we go down to my open positions, I can see all that now applied to my position. So there was the original position. I sold one at 57.78.1. I now have a stop in at 58.23 and a limit at 56.78.1. Now, if the stop gets hit, then the limit will be cancelled. Likewise, if the limit gets hit, the stop will be cancelled, whichever is activated first. Or I could choose to close the trade and the stop and limit instantly disappear. It's also worth noting that I can amend that order at any time. I click on the amend button, the ticket comes back up, and I could say now move my stop up to 58.30, for instance. And I might want to move my limit a little bit closer. And I can do that either by points away or price, but let's say up to 112 points away from my opening level. So I'm looking to try and make a little bit more. Submit that. There's the confirmation. And both those orders are updated instantly in my open positions. So there you have it. That is adding orders to an open position. I hope that has been helpful. To make sure you keep up to date with everything that's going on at Trade Nation, please go to our YouTube channel and click on the subscribe button. I'd just like to say thank you very much for watching and best of luck with your trading.